What's up guys, welcome to another deadbeat deathbx video. If you just saw my last video of how to remove the front bumper, the whole reason behind that was because I actually needed to replace my front bumper retaining clips because I broke them off. Lowlife. It was about time after all these years that I broke one. I'm actually going to replace both of them, passenger and driver side, and I figured I'd do a how-to video on it. I'm going to put some part numbers and some links down below, so don't forget to check that out. But yeah, first things first, remove your front bumper. I don't think it's necessary if you have already done this before, but for the first timer, maybe it will be easier, just so that you kind of get an idea of how to do that. So check out my last video of how to remove the front bumper, and then jump to this video. And here's my broken retainer clip. To replace that, right here in this little hole, you're gonna see these two little guys that you're gonna have to pinch in and then just pull out, and that's how you get that guy out. Don't forget, you do have to get this bolt out, because that's what's holding the retainer clip on the other side as well. If you don't take this bolt out, then you're not going to be able to get this retainer clip out, alright? So, got to take this guy out. Alright, so kind of like with one hand, get behind there, that way you can push it out once you get those two little sandwich clips in. There we go. There we go. And just like that. That's how you get it out. Alright, so don't forget the water and how it came out. And just tuck it back there. Put the new one in there. And there she goes. New retainer clip is in. And that's how you replace your front bumper retainer clips.